All right, guys, welcome back. It is Tootie. We are still here with this turkey. Today, I am planning on shredding it up for dinner, and we're just gonna make like a turkey shepherd's pie. Whatever is left over, I'm just going to freeze and use it for some other meals, some other time when I just need something quick, already cooked. So I'm just gonna work on getting this shredded. It's just a little tripod. This turkey breast. I can't believe how much meat is on one of these little turkey breasts. Like, it is a crazy amount of meat. Definitely worth it to buy one and cook it up and have it, for what you need. Like this bone, cooking it in the crock pot makes the bone just come straight off. I need a trash bowl. So much turkey. All right, so I got all my turkey shredded. This is what's kind of left. This is some bones and skin. This is more bones mixed in with some of the drippings. I would like to have saved all of it, but the meat in the slow cooker was so tender that it just fell apart when I started shredding it, which I do love. So I got about 8 cups here, and we already ate from this turkey breast the other night. So what we had, this is gonna feed us, this one turkey breast is gonna feed us for at least, 5 meals from this one turkey breast. Tonight, I'm doing some turkey shepherd's pie because it's one of the quicker, easier meals, especially on a Monday. It's Monday, so I'm just trying to get something quick in the oven. We'll probably have it with some salad. And then the rest of this turkey, I actually want to make some turkey pot pies for the freezer, and I'm going to do that tomorrow with the remainder of the turkey. So I'm going to do some freezer pot pies, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on dinner. Okay, so I want to show you what I have ready for our quick shepherd's pie, turkey shepherd's pie. So I have our turkey, some shredded cheese. I have some instant mashed potatoes. You can use leftover or whatever type of mashed potatoes you have or want to use. And then to make this easier for myself so I don't have to cut up any veggies, I got a can of mixed vegetables. And I don't know if you can see, where is this? Oh, wait. Hold on. The ingredients, let's see if you can see. It has water, carrots, potatoes, peas, corn, green beans, celery, and lima beans. So has everything you need for a shepherd's pie. And then here is just some chicken broth. I did a little water and bouillon powder because I didn't have like liquid chicken broth. Then I put a little cornstarch in just to help thicken it up. That's optional. But I did that because I want more, I don't want it watery or anything. So we're just going to get it assembled in our pan now. Okay, guys, so for starters, I am just going to spray this pan. I'm going to drop in my turkey, my canned vegetables. Just need 1 can. Now, you can use fresh veggies if you want, but it's a weeknight for me, so I want to get dinner done as soon as possible, especially Monday nights are busy for us. So I just want something quick. Just going to get this all mixed in. Like I said, I want like a little bit of a gravy. You can trade all this stuff out for whatever, like beef. You can do ground turkey. You can do ground chicken, ground beef, whatever. If you do ground beef, I would use like beef broth instead of chicken broth or something. So I'm gonna let that do that. I'm gonna mix in our chicken broth and cornstarch slurry because, like I said, I want a nice I don't want it runny and watery like this. I want a little bit of a nice little gravy. Now, I didn't add much seasonings to this because the turkey did cook in a lot of salt, and the turkey has a lot of flavor. Plus, the chicken broth has a lot of salt in it too. So I'm just gonna leave this like this. Now going to scoop our potatoes over top and just get this spread out the best I can. Don't mind my kids in the background. They're just playing some games. You know how that goes. Those kids get into those games. Getting all our potatoes on here. It's a really quick, easy weeknight dinner, with, especially if you have leftovers. I really love something quick. I do appreciate meals that take, you know, time and they taste really good, but a lot of times I'm like, just want something quick on the table, something affordable, and that saves money. So I have my oven preheat at 400. I'm just gonna get our cheese put on here. And we're going to pop this in the oven. Now I'll be back when we take it out. All right, guys, I just took this shepherd's pie out of the oven. My cheese did brown a little more than I wanted it to. I left it in for 30 minutes. So if you don't want your cheese to brown so much, I would suggest trying 15 to 20 minutes. But anywho, this is it. I'm gonna let this cool off a little bit. I'm gonna make up a quick little salad and then we're ready to eat. All right, guys, so this is our salad. We are going to be serving up with our shepherd's pie. So we have some romaine lettuce, some cherry tomatoes we picked from our garden this afternoon, cucumbers, and some cheese. This is our plate, how we're serving it up. Got our salad. I put black pepper on everything. Give this a try, you guys, for like a turkey leftover makeover. It's really good, really filling, and it saves you money. All right, we'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.